combines the two major technologies of CRPC plus TDOA with integrating the functions of unattended precise identification and accurate positioning, realizing UAV detection, early warning and identification, positioning and tracking, and other functions. Work-alone design. Normally, it is deployed outdoors. It needs to be set up with the equipment base through tightly locking triangle bracket by rotating the plumb nut. 4 or more devices should be installed in a grid pattern at a distance of 1 to 2 kilometers to constitute TDOA system. Log in to access the defense system interface. The software interface mainly consists of 3 functional parts, such as the left side function menu, the lower side function menu, and right side information display control area. The system will generate and automatically alarm when drones are being detected. The main interface displays information such as the number of drone, model, frequency, direction, altitude, serial number detected by the system aligns with the drone's identification. Meanwhile, the device can carry out real-time positioning and trajectory tracking of the UAV and RC remote controller. Click the Event button to check time of discovery and duration, model, identification code, frequency, and others. Click the Whitelist button to manage the whitelist for drones. Click the Statistics button to check the drone incident statistics report. Through clicking the Device Management button, user can instantly check and monitor the status.